someday I'm gonna pass down my old relic ass collection of makeup. Somebody in my family or somebody's gonna get it. They're gonna be like, look at this vintage Chanel compact, and they're gonna love it. Okay, so don't worry, stop worrying. We never worried about this with our ancestors. I think we need to stop overthinking so much and just start enjoying life a little more. Of course they're pink, so what's not to love? Hey my pretty people, welcome back. I'm getting ready today for appointment. I thought I'd bring you girls with me. You girls know I'm always super transparent about anything I get done. Hi guys, so I'm here with LaserAway. I'm gonna touch up my Botox and I wanted to bring you guys along. You know, I'm always very transparent when I get anything done or any cosmetic work because we don't want unrealistic beauty standards. Anyway, you guys have known LaserAway has taken care of me for pretty much almost a decade now. That's wild to say. They did I think one of my first Juvederm ever on my lip, and now I just do Botox with them. I feel like everybody I've been to multiple LaserAway clinics starting in Texas and Dallas, and every single one has never failed to just meet my expectations and above. I feel like everybody's trained well, they're so knowledgeable, and I feel really comfortable and at home here. So if I could recommend anywhere for your first time experience, if you want to try, I would say try LaserAway. All right, let's go in and see what's gonna happen. Of course they're pink, so what's not to love? I do grind my teeth, so that's something I was looking into possibly.
By itself, I'd like to do the frown lines as well. So go ahead and make an angry face. Yeah, I think it'll give you more of an angle between your cheekbones and your chin. And you're young, like you have.
Do you mean this?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
You're young, you have good skin, firmness. There's not a lot of laxity. As we get old and our tissue starts to get a little bit more lax, you get a little bit more fullness in this area when we slim down the masseter. But I don't anticipate that being a problem for you. You have fairly strong contraction, so I wouldn't want to do any less than 20 units on you. I think that should last you a good 3 months. Yeah.
Okay guys, I'm all marked up. I'm so excited to finally do my masseters. I clench my teeth at night. It's such a bad habit, and the mouth guard, I cannot sleep if I wear one. I've tried so hard, so I'm really excited to finally resolve that, because I feel part of this is gonna help my overall sleep in a way that I've probably never experienced. So part of this is for health reasons, but another awesome plus to doing masseters is that it really gives you such a feminine looking jaw and face. I like a nice sharp jaw. It's not gonna soften it, it's more so just gonna make it a little more defined. But I am paying the difference to do my forehead, and I just wanted to get it all taken care of today, guys. But yes, I hope that I've explained everything well enough for you to understand. But if not, you could ask me in the comments whatever you want.
Have you clench while I do it? That actually makes it more comfortable. So I'm gonna start. Go ahead and clench for me. Okay, here we go. Poke. Good. 3 out of 5. Okay. Go ahead and clench. Good. Poke. Good job.
It's not that bad. It just feels weird.
Yeah.
It kind of feels like it traveled up.
It's a nerve.
Yeah.
So there's a nerve in there, and so sometimes if you accidentally hit the nerve with the needle a little bit, it can just kind of have a weird kind of.
Yeah, it's it felt like a string. I was like. But it didn't hurt, it was just weird. Okay guys, I'm getting ready for a little creme shop event tonight. The Botox is finally working. I can't frown anymore, which is great. No more 11s. I'm not really sure if this has done anything yet, the jaw one. I'll have to update you guys on that one. She did say I might need 2 different sessions for that one, so yeah, that is what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready, I'm gonna shut up, and we're just gonna get ready together. I'm going to just put on some music and time-lapse this, and I'll show you the products up close. ready to go. Here's my little outfits, my shoes. I'll insert some photos here. All right, let's have my vlog camera. I'm about to grab my digital camera. Let's go, let's go, let's go, because I'm gonna be late. It is the next day and I'm on FaceTime with my friend Diana. If you don't follow her yet, go follow her. I can't speak, okay, but I do have my coffee. I'm trying to get my brain unscrambled right now because I just filmed some short form content and my brain was focused on that. So let me focus on this YouTube video now. But yesterday's event was so cute with the creme shop. They literally spoiled me. We got 2 goodie bags. That means giveaways for you girls. So go and follow me on Whatnot. I'm gonna be throwing some little like follower giveaways. You don't even have to purchase anything. I always do buyers giveaways like that basket you guys saw in my other video, but I like to do some just follower appreciation. So go and find me on Whatnot. I will link it below. You get a $15 credit to shop if you so choose, and you can win a buyer's giveaway as well. But I'm gonna be sprinkling some of those throughout because I got like multiples of the products, so I want to spoil you girls so you can try out some creme shop little goodies. So yes, that will be linked below. Make sure you don't miss it. Guys, another exciting thing I just filmed for my short form. I got Victoria's Secret PR. What is life? That's insane. I'm doing a whole Victoria's Secret like standalone video, like a haul for Valentine's, so you will see all the goodies there. But if you're like eager to see the goodies, make sure you go to my Instagram to see them. But that's not like everything because I'm still gonna go shopping and get a few more little things, some gifts and things like that. So I will be doing a whole other Victoria's Secret haul, so I don't want to ramble on too much about that in this video. But getting Victoria's Secret PR is insane. My PR lately has been insane. I don't even know how to express my gratitude. I feel like the most spoiled girl in the whole world. At the same time, it's, you know, it's not owed to me to receive any of this. So yes, feeling so grateful and blessed today. I have a Whatnot show tonight, so my mom and I are about to head out to the thrifts and we're going to shop. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to that. I wouldn't normally do that. You can't really record in there, so I'm gonna try to like sneak some clips in. It is basically like Goodwill outlet store. I don't gatekeep. Like if you girls want to thrift and resell, that's your prerogative. Like I'm gonna give you all the tea, so you could do it too if you want to. But yeah, I'm going to head out, show you guys how I thrift, how I select everything, and hopefully this could be a cute little vlog for you girls, kind of like just what's going on in my life, like a girly vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying everything. Oh, by the way, my Botox is working. No more 11 lines. This right here, I feel like finally I sound like a Maya. Finally starting to work. Like clench, it doesn't like come out as much anymore. So I feel like that's starting to work. But I know this one takes longer and it might take another session. So we'll see how that goes. I know you girls are like, this is all superficial, like Botox and things. But what girl doesn't want to look good? Do you know what I mean? What girl doesn't want to look good? Like, let's not play ourselves. If you're feeling a little bad about yourself and you're feeling down, like, the best thing for you to do is to focus on that and like why you're feeling down and try to resolve it and not project it onto random people on the internet. You know what I mean? Because it's not their fault how you're feeling. We're all responsible for ourselves, ladies. We're all responsible for how we feel about ourselves, and we have to make ourselves responsible for creating the life that we want and creating a space that we feel we can thrive in. And I think that I really like voice and stand up for that a lot on my channel, and there never fails to be like that one person, right? But at the end of the day, you girls are so full of love in my comment section. I could never complain. So thank you girls so much, and I hope I'm inspiring the right things, even if like Botox seems superficial or like the PR seems overconsumption, like whatever you're feeling about me, I hope that you can look inside yourself to see why you're feeling that, because it's more personal than you think. So tell you girls, like, I know I cannot use up that much PR. That's why I give away so much of it on my Whatnot, or I do PR giveaways often, because I know I can't use up all of it. I give so much away to my friends. Now my mom lives with me, so we have 2 women in the household using up the PR. So don't you worry. Like, if you're worried about the consumption of like the PR, don't worry. It's getting consumed. If it's not by me, by someone. So it's not just gonna sit there. I do have more things that I need, obviously, but this is my job and I like collecting cute things, okay? And someday I'm gonna pass down my old relic ass collection of makeup to somebody in my family, or somebody's gonna get it. They're gonna be like, look at this vintage Chanel compact, and they're gonna love it, okay? So don't worry. Like, stop worrying. We never worried about this with our ancestors. We are always so happy to find a vintage Dior gold compact or whatever to put on our vanities even nowadays. So I think we need to stop overthinking so much and just start enjoying life a little more. Okay, I rambled on enough, probably too much, honestly. I'm gonna go now. Let's go thrift. Let's go thrift before it gets later. As we're dropping off these orders, I have probably like over 100 pieces I mail out every single week from Whatnot. You girls are amazing. Thank you so much for your orders. Mom, wait for me. Like, no, don't start without me. Hold on, I have to go help her. So yeah, I'm gonna get these orders in the mail for you girls. So I just scan every single box. Look how cute. It's always the ones in the bags that don't want to scan. We scan all of these and then we go thrifting. Here's my outfit. It's too bright. I don't want to get ran over, guys. Yay, my car's empty. This is what I bring to thrift. So I will just put items in here, then go take them to our cart. We usually fill up a big cart. Okay, let's go. I'm kind of excited to see what we find today. Alright guys, I don't know how long it's been. 3 hours later, 3.5 hours later, we're done. So now I'm gonna go grab something to eat quickly, and then we have to get home to do my show, which is at 5 p.m. and it's 4 o'clock right now. So I'm gonna go through a drive-through. I'll probably just go to Starbucks because I don't really like fast food that much. So I just get egg white bites from Starbucks, or like literally in the middle of the day, I don't even care. Or I'll get like, I like their ham and cheese croissant, or like their pesto sandwich, whatever. That's not my favorite food to eat, but I'm kind of in a hurry because I want to make it on time to my show. But it just took so much longer because we found so many things. The cart was like jam-packed full. So I'm excited for the future shows. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Are you tired? She's tired. We had a day sourcing today. I didn't expect it. I was like, okay, we'll just get a few things. Like, we'll just literally dig for Victoria's Secret, but there was so many cute things, you can't not take it because you're not gonna see it again tomorrow, girl. So let's go. Alright guys, I'm so sad the sun's going down. I'm hosting a Galentine's. Guess I'll show you. The sun's setting, but some of the girls are here.